Hi everyone, today we're going to do Module 5, Whole Number Division, Lesson 6. So please turn to page 25 so you can follow along and take notes. Our vocabulary today is even number and odd number. So this should be review, but even and odd numbers, remember even numbers end in 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So some examples are 4, 56, 730, because look at their ones place. They end in a 0, 2, 4, or 8. So if the ones place is a 0, 4, 2, or 8, then it's an even number. Odd numbers end in 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9. So examples are 9, 83, 641, because if you look at their ones place, the numbers are either a 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9, which makes it odd. So if we get started here, we're going to look at some of the even numbers. So 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. If anything ends in that, it is even. If it ends in 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9, it is odd. Okay, so if we look at a chart and we fill this in, we'll start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on, 11, 12, 13, and I'll keep going and I'll pause it so you can write yours too. Okay, so when you're done writing those, you can pause and finish writing in the chart. And then you can see in the columns, these all end, the one place is a 1. These all end in 2s, these all end in 3s, and so on. Well, you can see that every other number, so if you skip 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, those are all odd numbers. The even numbers, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, and so on, are every other, and they end in an even number in the ones place. So you can see that pretty easily with the chart. Now, even if we might not know, we can use this chart to help us too. If we have 89, well, we know that 89 is going to end up down here in this chart. So the ones digit we know is a 9. So that means that the number is odd because the ones digit is a 9. So that makes it odd. 146, the ones digit is a 6. So we know it is even. And if we had carried on this chart, which would take kind of a long time, we would know that the 146 would end up in this column further down, and we would know that it was an even number. Okay, so let's solve these problems. If we do 5 plus 1, we get 6. 7 plus 3, we get 10. Anytime you add an odd number plus an odd number, you get an even number. If we do 6 plus 2, that's 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. An even plus an even number is also even. So if they're both odd or they're both even, and you add them together, you get an even number. If you do an odd plus an even, 7 plus 8 is 15. 3 plus 6 is 9. They're odd. The answer is odd. Or switch it around, even plus odd. 2 plus 5 is 7. 8 plus 3 is 11. That is odd. So either both digits when you're adding are odd and both even, then you get even numbers. But if one is odd and one is even, then the answer is odd. So we're going to tell whether each number is odd or even. So 53, there is a 3 there. 3 is odd. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 is odd. 167, 7 is also odd if it's in the ones place. Here we have an 8 in the ones place. 8 is an even number. And if it ends in a 0, it is also even. So recognizing odd and even numbers using symbols. Number 1, we see 705. The ones digit is a 5. The ones digit 5 is 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9. So the number 705 is odd. We just need to look at the ones digit. Here we have 24. The ones digit is 4. So the ones digit is 4 is 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. So the number 24 is even. So all you need to do is you look at the ones digit of the number. If the ones digit is 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9, then the number is odd. If the ones digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8, then the number is even. Okay, what you're going to do now on your own is complete page 27. Good luck.